Hello friends! Welcome to Library Facts. Today, we are going to explore one of the most influential subject indexing systems, chain indexing. Developed by S R Ranganathan, chain indexing has transformed how libraries catalog and retrieve information. What is chain indexing? Chain indexing is a systematic method of generating subject headings from a classification number. Instead of manually assigning subject terms, this technique derives keywords from the classification system itself and forms a logical chain of subject descriptors. The main idea behind chain indexing is to create a structured set of terms that allow easy retrieval of information. This method reduces human errors, ensures consistency, and enhances search accuracy in library catalogs and databases. Chain indexing was invented by S R Ranganathan in 1934 as a part of his groundbreaking work in library classification. He also developed the Cologne classification (CC) system, and chain indexing is closely linked to it. Why is chain indexing important? Chain indexing is widely used in libraries, information retrieval systems, and digital databases for the following reasons. 1. Efficient information retrieval. Users can find books and articles faster. 2. Automated subject indexing reduces manual effort and accuracy. 3. Structured keyword system helps in better organization of knowledge. 4. Scalability can be applied to both physical and digital libraries. How chain indexing works. Chain indexing follows a step-by-step process to derive subject headings from classification numbers. Let's break it down. Step 1. Identify the classification number. Every document is assigned a classification number, usually based on the Cologne classification (CC) system or Dewey Decimal Classification (DDC). Step 2. Extract key subject terms. The classification number is broken down into meaningful subject components. Step 3. Establish a logical sequence chain. The extracted terms are linked in a structured way, forming a chain of subject descriptors. Step 4. Assign subject headings. Each subject descriptor is converted into searchable index terms. Step 5. Generate a complete index list. The final list of subject headings is added to the catalog, allowing multiple access points for searching. Let's take a real-life example to understand how chain indexing works. Example 1. Book on library automation using RFID technology. Small blue diamond classification number 2:45:6, based on Cologne classification. Small blue diamond chain of subject terms. Pushpin library automation RFID technology. Pushpin RFID technology library automation. Pushpin automation library RFID technology. How this helps. 1. If a user searches RFID technology, they will find this book. 2. If they search library automation, they will still find it. 3. Multiple search paths make retrieval easier. Features of chain indexing. 1. Derives subject terms automatically. Uses classification numbers to generate keywords. 2. Logical structure. Forms meaningful chains of subject descriptors. 3. Flexibility. Users can search using different keyword orders. 4. Reduces human effort. Eliminates manual subject heading assignment. 5. Compatible with digital libraries. Works well with computerized retrieval systems. Advantages of chain indexing. 1. Faster information retrieval. No need to manually assign subject headings. 2. More searchable terms. Users can find books with multiple search options. 3. Better organization. Subjects are logically connected. 4. Less human error. Fewer mistakes in subject heading assignments. Applications of chain indexing. 1. Library catalogs. Used in academic, public, and digital lib. 2. Digital libraries. Helps in structured document retrieval. 3. Research databases. Improves keyword-based searching. With the rise of AI and machine learning, chain indexing is evolving. 1. AI-based indexing, automated subject heading generation. 2. Integration with metadata standards. 3. Better search algorithms. Today, we explored chain indexing, a game-changing method in library science, has greatly improved subject indexing, classification, and retrieval of information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.